పేపర్ రాలే కదా. సో సౌండ్ బాగానే వినపడుతుంది. Welcome to Dear Teacher Ravi Tuitions. Today I am going to discuss the same board exam paper, subject to paper, subject to questions. Yesterday I have discussed MCQ questions in 2025 set 1. Okay. Now I am going to discuss subject to questions, how they have given. Let us answer those things and let us understand the strategy of CBSE of giving the questions in the question paper. So now section B, we are going to section B. Section A is MCQ questions, 20 are over. Now in section B there are 5 very short answer questions, and each question carries 2 marks. Remember, it is 2 marks. Your answer should not be very lengthy. So you have to be careful about the answer. So each question carries 2 marks. So 5 questions will be there. So let us start. 21st question. Now internal choice is there. You don't need to do both the things. You have to do only one thing. This is called internal choice. 21st question. Either you can do A or you can do B. When you are doing A or B, in the answer sheet you should mention it clearly, 21A, like that. Okay. So in the examination paper you have to be very careful about the writing the question number correctly. If you do not write the question number correctly, sometimes your marks will skip. So be careful. 21A, if you are doing the first one, write 21A. If you are doing the second one, 21B. Question number is very, very important. Now let us understand. I told you, this is a trigonometry question. So both are from trigonometry and both are from the angles. This is one strategy. Both are from angles. So it is from the trigonometry. Both questions are from trigonometry. So if at all, if you are getting an internal choice question, you will be getting from the same chapter and from the same concept also. Okay. So I told you, when you start the question paper, write the table of angles. If you write the table of angles, then it will be easy to substitute the angles. Now he has given x60, y0, y cos 0, sin 30 minus cot 45 is equal to y. So let us substitute the values. X cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. Y cos 0 is how much? 1. Sin 30 is half. Cot 45 is 1, is equal to 5. Okay. So then, because our target is to find out x plus 2y, so from this we have to find out. So it is x by 2 plus y, half minus 1 is minus half, is equal to 5. So bring 5 also this side, because we want x plus 2y, otherwise x plus 2y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Now we have got x plus 2y. So send this 2 to other side. X plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 10 and x plus 2y is equal to 11. Okay, so you have to substitute all the values, because I know it fast. I have written the values very fast and substitute it. So you don't need to think again anything. You just substitute and you will be getting the values. So I hope you have understood. Let us see the other question. Evaluate tan square 60 plus sin square 60 plus cos square 30. So substitute the values. Tan square 60, tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 whole square is 3. I am directly writing only to show you. In the examination, don't write it. Oh, I will show you. I will show you the steps also. Don't write directly. So, which is equal to tan square 60 root 3 whole square. You have to indicate root 3 whole square. That means examiner, that means paper evaluator should understand that you have written tan 60 root 3. And sin square 60 root 3 by 2 whole square. Cos square 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. So now you squares it, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. So here 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 6 by 4. So 3 into 4 by 6. So 2. Answer is 2. This is how you have to do it. Okay. Next question. So 21st question is over. 22nd question. No internal choice. Directly only one question. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Let us find out. So there are n number of ways for finding the zeros of the polynomial. I will do it like this. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4 by 3 and C is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay. My target is to find out ABC. If I find ABC, then you will be getting the polynomial. Okay. So now alpha beta are the zeros, sum is equal to how much? Minus b by a, and product is equal to how much? C by a. Sum means so sum means alpha plus beta So minus b by a is minus 4 by 3 by 1. By 1 is sum. This is minus b by a. C by a is minus 4 by 3 is equal to C by A. So A is equal to 3, this is B, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to minus 4. Therefore, the polynomial is Px is 3x square plus 4x minus 4. So here I did not write. Actually, let the polynomial be Px. I will write next sum onwards. I will write all the steps. Let the Px be x square plus bx plus c. A is equal to 1, b is equal to, like that you have to write. And sum of zeros is minus b by a. Product of zeros is equal to c by a. Like that you have to write. So in this question, let me finish off like this. So let me go to another question. So polynomials. Finding the polynomial is very, very important. Finding the polynomial. Okay, you can find it by using the factorization also, right? I am sorry, I have to find out zeros, na? I have to find out zeros. Let alpha beta be the zeros. I am extremely sorry. We have to find out the zeros. మరి చెప్పవే ఇందాక నుంచి zeros find out cheyali. Okay, so how to find out the zeros? Let us find out zeros from this only. So you factorize it. Factorization करेंगे तो what happened? 3x square plus 4x minus 4 by 3. So this 3 we will keep like this. Now factors, 3 4s are 12. Okay, 6 2s are 12. 6 minus 2, 4. So 3x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 4. Okay. So 1 by 3, how much? 3x common. 3x into x plus 2 x plus 2 minus 2 x plus 2. So 1 by 3 into how much? 3x minus 2 x plus 2. So now what are the zeros? Zeros, 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 by 3. This is 1 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. So the zeros are 2 by 3 and minus 2. Oh, this is how. So coded, this is factorization method. Okay. Now what I have fractions are there, I have taken nothing and I kept this denominator away. So this is how it will go, right? Very important question in polynomials. This is only the question we have, right? Coordinate geometry. This question comes from the coordinate geometry. The coordinates of the center 2a, a minus 3. Find the values of the a. So here there is a circle and center is given how much? 2a and a minus 7. This is the center O. Okay. And find the values of a. The circle passing through 11 9. Let us say this is a 11 minus 9 and has a diameter of 10. So diameter is 10 root 2. Then means so diameter is equal to how much? 10 root 2. Therefore radius is equal to 5 root 2. So that means this is 5 root 2. So therefore OA is equal to 5 root 2. OA means square root of distance. Distance formula you have to use. So 2a minus 11 whole square plus a minus 7 minus minus, so plus 9 whole square is equal to 5 root 3. Any other method is there? Yeah, if you are having a problem, because I have explained in one video how to do the splitting of the middle term. Okay, so you can refer back. If possible, I will try to put that link in the description, right? You can go through that video. So it's very a minus b whole square, you have to write it. A minus b whole square is how much? A minus b whole square, a square, 2a whole square, 4a square, b square, 121, 2ab, 2 to the 4, 4 11s are 44a. First one is over. So this is how much? A plus 2. A plus 2 whole square is equal to 5 root 3. Now square on both sides. Square on both sides. So that here square will go 4a square plus 121 minus 44a. This is a plus 2, a plus b whole square again. A square plus 4 plus 4a. Right side 5 square is 25 into 3. So let us simplify it. 4a square and a square is 5a square minus 44a plus 4a minus 40a. 121 plus 4 125 minus 75 is equal to 0. Okay. So now we will be getting a quadratic equation. So where I should do it? I should do here. So 5a square minus 40a, 125 minus 75, how much? 50. Okay. Now I am going to tell you splitting the middle term in this, you can watch. 5a square minus 40a plus 50. You check it again. Okay, 5a square minus 40a 125. So you can divide every term by 5 so that it will get simplified. So then what happened? A square minus 8a plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Am I right? Somewhere it went 121 plus 4 125, 125 in minus 75, 50, correct? 8a 2. So we are not getting factors here. Somewhere we have mistaken. 2a minus 11, 4a square 121, 2 to the 44, correct? A square plus 4 plus 4a is correct. Correct. 5 root 2 is also correct. 4 plus 1 5a square, 121 plus 4 125, this is also correct. The reason is we are not having factors for this, sir. I am rechecking the problem whenever you are having. So 5a square minus 45 40a 125 minus 75. Here 2 is there and here I wrote 3. So 50. So then 75. Okay. 75 means how much? 15. So 5a square minus 40a. Whenever you are not getting the answer, somewhere you must have mistaken. Now divide with 5, a square minus 8a plus 15. Now 15 is there, 5 3s are 15. So 5 plus 3, 8. So a square minus 5a minus 3a plus 15 is equal to 0. So a minus 5 into a minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 5 or 3. He asked to find the values of a. So we have got 2 values. A is equal to 5 or 3. Okay. So very lengthy problem, but in this only these simplifications and everything do not matter. because they are previous things. So though it is lengthy, this is only the procedure. Okay. Let us go to another question. So now coordinate geometry, that means distance formula, definitely you are going to get. Rohit, Yadvanshi, Jai Hind, good morning. So distance formula ke upar definitely you will be getting one question. Let us go one more thing. Yeah, this is from triangles problem. Triangles problem. Let me do A. So in this also internal choice is given, both from the same chapter. This one is triangles and this one is also triangles. So internal choice. So either you can do 24A or you can do 24B. Anything. For you also internal choice is there. So now let us do this question. I will do here only in the white color. So now triangle ABC is similar, already given. Triangle ABC 21A. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ. I am sorry, 24A. Okay. So I can draw the diagram, or without drawing the diagram also I can do it. So let me draw the diagram. It gives a very clear idea. A, B, C, P, Q, R. So AB is how much? 6. BC is how much? 4. AC is 8. PQ is how much? We don't know. PR is 6. Let us say this is X and this is Y. So find the length of PQ plus R. That means we have to find out X plus Y. So X plus Y you have to find out. PQ is X, QR is Y. So similar, we have to take the corresponding sides proportional. Only one pair is there, 8 and 6. So 8 by 6 is how much? It is equal to 4 by 3. So this 4 by 3 is equal to other two pairs. Okay. So that means 6 by x, otherwise here 8 by 6, no? So 6 by x and the other one is 4 by y. So 6 by x is equal to 4 by 3, otherwise I will write directly AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to and AC by PR. Corresponding sides proportional. Till now I was doing MCQ, so I'm doing directly the answers. So don't do like that. So AB is how much? 6 by X. BC is 4 by Y. AC is 8 by 6. So now you take one time like this. You take one time like this. So 6 by X is equal to 8 by 6. This is one. You take these two. 4 by Y is equal to 8 by 6. So from this you will be getting X, from this you will be getting Y. So 8x is equal to 36, x is equal to 36 by 8. 8y is equal to 24, y is equal to 24 by 8. I am not cancelling it because I have to find out finally x plus y. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 36 by 8 plus 24 by 8, which is equal to 40 by 8. So 5 is the answer. Therefore, PQ plus QR is equal to 5. Okay. Let me check, because other questions are 8 and 6 are there. 6, these two are looking very small. Let me check again, because this is 6 and sum of these two is 5. Let me check again one more time. So 6 by x is equal to 8 by 6. 8 by 6 is correct. 6 by x, 4 by y, this is correct. 8x is equal to 36, correct. 8y is equal to 24, correct. 36, and x plus y, 36 by 8, 50, 60. This is wrong. So 60 by 8. How much? 4 table, 15 by 2. So it is 7.5. So 7.5 is the answer. Now it is correct, because sum of these two sides should be greater than the third side. Now I got 5. You should apply a simple property here. So this 5 is less than 6. That's why I got doubt. Then I rechecked it and I got my mistake, and I rectified it and I got it. Okay. So rectification also I told you how to rectify it, right. So very, very important. Let us go to another question. 24b. 24b looks very, very big. It is occupying more space also, but it is very simple. He asked us to prove this. You identify PQS is here, the down. TQR, big one. TQR is the big triangle. So let us start from this one. 1 is equal to 2. As angle 1 is equal to 2. As angle 1 is equal to 2, therefore opposite sides are equal. Therefore PQ is equal to PR. Sides opposite to equal angles. Remember that you are doing subjective questions. MCQ no need to write anything, but in subjective questions you have to justify your answer. When you are writing something, you should indicate the reason also. So now PQ is equal to PR. Now take this. Therefore QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. So it will become how much? PR place mein you can write PQ. Therefore QR by QS is equal to QT by, in the place of right. Now you just see here. So this is a, let us say, first equation. Now you consider these two triangles in triangles PQS and triangle PQR. That means we have to prove these two triangles are similar. You take it. Now you have to write 3 pairs of sides, because we have to apply any one criterion, either AAA or SAS or SSS. So let us see what criterion will get applied in this. Okay. So now first angle 1 is equal to, in both the things angle Q is there, angle 1 is equal to angle 1, common angle. Okay. Now see this PQR. QR means this one. QR is QR by QS is equal to QT by PQ. Therefore now no need of this one. Therefore triangle PQS is similar, because these two PQ and QS included sides. Therefore, they are similar by SAS. SAS similarity over. This is the answer. Okay. I don't know who is this man. Where are you from? I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am an AP person, Telugu person, but worked in Maharashtra. Don't worry, I know Hindi also. So this is how it will go, right? Very say similar triangles, easy questions only. They are not difficult, and this question is not there in the textbook. Both the questions are not there in the textbook, so you will definitely get from outside. So 100% you have to understand the concept if you want to do the questions, because only very few concepts are there in this. It is not the basic proportionality. You can apply basic proportionality also, but it is not the basic proportionality theorem concept. It is completely similar triangles concept. Triangles, you divide it into two parts. One is BPT, basic proportionality theorem. The other one is similar triangles. So you keep your preparation separately. Basic proportionality problems and similar triangles problems. In the textbook also he has given like that only. Then it will be easy for you. Not Tamil. I am a Telugu person, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So this is how we have to do. Now let us go to 25 question. Now 25 question is a circular ground distance. It is a circles question. Okay. So circles question is also 2 marks question came. Let us understand, a big story is given. You should have a patience to read the story, right? So now read the story. Diagram is also given. Diagram, definite diagram is given, then your 50% work is over, right? A person is standing at P. Here, this is the person. Circular ground at a distance 26. So this entire distance is 26 meters from O to, from the center of the ground, from O to this person is 26 meters. Write it. And points A and B, from his point he was watching A and B, they are equal. 10 meters already given in the figure, only 26 is not given in the figure. So, and he has given already PA, PB are tangents, to the circle. Find the radius of the circular ground. That means you have to find out OA. Okay. So very simple. Let us put the steps as per the this one. Okay. So OA is perpendicular to PA because radius is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, in triangle OAP, okay, Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to OA square plus AP square. You write here Pythagoras theorem. You have to do stepwise. Then only you will get full marks. If you don't write the steps, because so OP is 26 square, OA we don't know, we have to find out that OA. AP is 10 square. Therefore, OA square is equal to 26 square is 676 minus 100. So, which is equal to 576. So, OA is equal to square root of 576, which is equal to 24 meters. Therefore, radius is equal to 24 meters. 2 marks. writing this Pythagoras theorem and this radius is perpendicular, then what happened? You will be getting half mark, right? And doing this entire thing is 1 mark, and writing this answer conclusion is half mark. You should not forget the units. Some people will forget the units. 24 meters you have to write. You should not forget. So you have to write all the steps neatly to get 2 marks. Remember, my dear children, every half mark is important for you. Don't lose any mark anywhere. Okay? Every mark is important. Then only you will be getting 100 out of 100. Otherwise, you are target. So now let us go to 25th question. 25th question comes under section C. Okay? Till 24, 5 questions are over. Now section C, there are 6 short answer questions. 6 questions you have to answer. Each question carries 3 marks. So 3 marks, little longer than the section B. Okay, so 6 questions you have to answer. From section C, you will be getting 18 marks. Again, it came from the circles. So circles already we have got previously 1, and this is one more, right? So in this also internal choice is given, 26A and 26B. So both are from the circles only, quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. So both are from the circles. So circles focus karna hi hai. So circles, let us understand circles is smallest chapter, in which you have very less concepts. Only 2 or 3 concepts are there in that. Okay. So now let us do this question, right? Let us do this question. O is the center of the circle. Yeah, O is the center, and BCD is the tangent, and at C, prove that BAC. Let me write BAC x, ACD y. So how much? BAC is x and this is y, and we have to prove x and y 90 degrees. Okay, this is our target. Let us write the things. Now you take in triangle OAC. You take this triangle OAC. Let me write here Z. Okay, so Z is equal to x, because OA is equal to OC is equal to radius, and angles opposite to equal sides. Z, angle Z, angle X. You can write directly like X and Y. No need to write a big prolonged answer, because we have written here. Because I have the problem here, I have written. In the examination, let angle BAC is equal to X and angle ACD is equal to Y. To prove like that, you have to write. So now Y plus Z is equal to angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 90 degrees, because radius is perpendicular to tangent. OC is the radius, so OC is perpendicular to tangent. So Y plus Z is equal to 90 degrees. So that implies, in the place of Z, I will write X, angle Y, plus in the place of Z, I will write X is equal to 90 degrees. So that implies angle X plus angle Y is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle BAC plus angle ACD is equal to 90 degrees. You have to bring back the original notation. So angle BAC, angle ACD is equal to 90 degrees. Don't leave like x plus y is equal to 90 degrees, because we have to prove this. This is the conclusion. This is conclusion. Okay. So we got a very small answer. So that's why you be careful. You have to write these reasons. So many students, without writing reasons, they will write dryly in simple small steps. 3 marks देना है एक क्वेश्चन के ऊपर, they have to give you 3 marks. So justification is needed. Yeah, so justification is needed. Therefore you have to write, and every say इसके लिए half mark, इसके लिए half mark, like that you have to write it, right? So this is a question. Now let us do 24b also. 24b, prove that the opposite sides of quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles. Okay, so you should know what is circumscribing. Okay, so now what I will do, I will draw, because I have no tools, right? Let me draw here only. 26b, please don't forget to write the question number. Writing the question number is very, very important, right? I am doing 26b. So a quadrilateral is outside, circumscribing means quadrilateral is outside and inside circle. So now I am drawing just like this. Okay. This is the draw. In your you practice this type of figures using the set square. Okay, using the set square and drawing this type of figures, you should draw the figures properly, not accurately. Circle जैसा दिखना चाहिए. Okay, not like this, not a freehand drawing. Don't try to draw a freehand drawing in the examination paper. You should carry your geometry box. You should know how to draw these type of figures. One day you allot exclusively drawing figures. Whatever the figures are there in the textbook, circles, you draw using set square and the scale, so that you will get a practice, right? A good figure, neat figure will impress the mind of the paper evaluator. So paper evaluator खुश हो जाएंगे, he will be very happy, yeah, very nice diagram. So then he will ease for you. Okay, so don't draw such a small figure, you draw a big figure for this problem. Now opposite side, let us say A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are opposite sides. Okay, my time is already over. I'll complete this and I'll stop. And they subtend some angles at the center, these two angles, and x and y. We have to prove that x plus y is equal to 180. This is RTP. Okay, so that means the opposite sides make angles which are supplementary, right? In simple, I will tell you, in simple, because tangents, this let us say OA bisects this angle. Let us say this is A and this is A. This OA bisects angle A. You can refer the proof. In the same way, OB bisects angle B. Let us say this is B and this is B. Angle C also same way. This is C and this is C, and this is D and this is D. I am writing small letters. So proof: 2A plus 2B plus 2C plus 2D is equal to 360 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. I did not write it. So across you cancel 2. So then what happened? A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 180 degrees. This is first equation. A plus B means this is A plus B. C plus D means this is C plus D, because you have to focus only A, B and C, D. So now here already X is there. How much is the X value here? X is equal to, I will write here, X is equal to 180 minus A plus B, because ultimately we need X, we need Y, and Y is equal to 180 minus C plus D. So now let us write in the place of A plus B, 180 minus A plus B is equal to 180 minus X. So here 180 minus X, and in the place of C plus D, 180 minus Y is equal to 180. Across 180 is cancelled. Send minus X and minus Y other side. Therefore 180 is equal to X plus Y. Therefore X plus Y is equal to 180. I did not do the problem systematically, only to explain you. Okay, you have to write, this is separately, you have to write drawing diagram, you have to explain the diagram, all these things you have to do. 3 marks question. Previous question is very less answer, and this is little bigger answer, but it is not bigger, it is not a 10th class level. All the simplifications are at 7th and 8th class levels. So don't think that it is a very long question. It is a small question. We have applied only here, and I have written directly OA is bisecting angle A. That also time and daily. So that also you should know. So be careful, and because you have time, this is just December 9th. So 20 days of December, January 30 days, 40 days is there. 40 days इस आराम से आप रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. रिवाइज करके आप definitely you will definitely get good marks if you have a proper strategy. You have to understand, you have to do the board examination question paper to understand what strategy that CBSE is applying to give you a paper. If you understand the mindset of CBSE, then definitely you will get the solutions, right? At this particular time, I will just wait for your messages. If you are so, once again I request all my viewers, if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe my channel, like my classes and share my videos to your friends so that it will get a beneficial, right? So I am a retired person. This is my passion. This is my passion, teaching. So instead of sitting idly, I am taking morning and also evening classes. So I am focusing more on 10th class students, because from past 42 years I have been teaching 10th class students. So not only teaching, in between I will be giving you some tips and clues also, clues, easy techniques, okay, some special points. So those things are very, very useful. Answers everywhere you will be getting. Only the guidance, a proper guidance you will be getting only from an experienced professional person. So for that you can always join into my classes. Please share my class and subscribe if you are not a subscriber, and thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.